So hey folks, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Mission Review. For today's review, we are having a blessing. Yes, you heard it right. We are having a blessing for affiliate marketers. Now guess the main problem with affiliate marketing. The problem is traffic. Alright. If there will be no traffic on your link, that means there will be no sales. No sales means no money. No money means no business. Simple as that. Right. But what if you will get just like total 70 secret resources of traffic with 1 billion active users plus buyers? Then what you will do? Sounds impossible, right? You're shocked, right? But you must be. All right, so presenting you the CB Traffic app. All right, now what is CB Traffic app? Let's check it out. Yeah, so CB Traffic app is a new 4-click cloud-based app. All right, you can get free traffic fast. You can generate CB, means ClickBank sales fast. You can become a super affiliate on ClickBank. All right, you will get 70 done for you campaigns. Okay, you will get 70 secret traffic sources. All right, you can get free traffic to your websites as well. All right, and this thing will work with any link. All right, and step by step training and videos are also there. All right, so it's basically a app which will do each and everything for you in order to earn money from affiliate marketing. That's it. All right, so now let's check it out. Let's check further what what this thing is. All right, yeah, so there are only 3 simple steps. All right, what you have to do, you just have to log in. Step number 1, log in to the cloud based app and enter your ClickBank affiliate ID so you can earn commissions. Step 2, choose from 70 done for you affiliate campaigns. All right, you just have to choose your favorite campaign. All right, step number 3, click once to launch your campaign to 70 free traffic resources. And step number 4, repeat again and again and again. All right, and this thing will work like an autopilot. All right, so as you can see, here are some screenshots or snapshots from Chris, Rich and YVS, right? So as you can see, okay, so now let's go further again. All right, so as it is written over here that dear struggling affiliate, you're just 4 clicks away from getting your affiliate link in in front of 70 traffic pools. All right, all you need to do is add your ClickBank name once, click 4 buttons, then plug in your affiliate link into 70 viral traffic gold mines with over 1.5 billion buyers. Yes, you heard it right, 1.7 billion buyers. All right, I'm sorry, I just said 5, but it is 7 actually. All right, so you can start earning commissions from ClickBank with sudden blasts of free buyers traffic in as little as 60 seconds. So are you in? Okay, great. Now here is what this thing is all about. All right, so as you can see, here are some snapshots that have been taken and that have been added by these people. All right, so I've already introduced you by this thing called CB Traffic app. Now let's go down more. All right, so you need 2 things if you want to profit in July 2021: an affiliate program and a free traffic. That's it. And here are some snapshots. As you can see, $1,435, $1,972, and all. All right, so yeah, as you can see. Okay, now here are the bad news. All right, if you want to copy my business, you will need to start from scratch, and for most marketers that is not easy at all. All right, to make affiliate commissions, you need to find the top 70 offers, then create enticing campaigns with professional content. All right, to generate commissions, 100% commissions, you would need a high value software to sell as your own, which would cost you over $10,000. To get free traffic, you would need a secret 4-click gateway into 70 social networks with over 1.7 billion buyers. All right, to have passive income, the ability to generate daily commissions and free traffic whenever you need to top up. You need a top up. All right, so this is the thing. So this is a bad news that you need all these. All right, to make money from affiliate marketing in these days. All right, and plus 100% done for you affiliate campaigns that unlocked our internet lifestyle. All right, so you need all these to make money, make a huge amount of money from affiliate marketing, right? But the thing is that this thing is having a done for you affiliate profit with zero experience, no websites, no list. All right, like this thing is having each and everything for you. All right, and this thing is again talking about what things you need. All right, all right. So what if there was a solution that that could do everything for you? So that choosing a buyer niche was done for you, finding profitable affiliate programs was done for you. All right, and driving free buyer traffic was done for you. In fact, everything to make ClickBank commissions were done for you. All right, like you outsourced each and everything to one of the top ClickBank marketers on planet. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Let's discuss this thing. All right, ClickBank commissions and free traffic without finding, yeah, ClickBank commissions and free traffic without finding affiliate programs, buying paid traffic, building a website, writing content, creating videos, getting banned. You don't have to do all these things. Alright, you don't have to do all these things if you have CB Traffic app. Alright, CB Traffic app will do each and everything for you. Alright. So all you need to do is enter your ClickBank ID, choose your niche and click 4 buttons, then enjoy free commissions. That's it. It's a kind of autopilot kind of thing, if you want to say it as an autopilot. Alright, so now this thing is giving you like 100% done for your affiliate campaigns created by ClickBank Platinum Marketer. Alright, campaigns in 4 clicks. Okay, so as you can see the earning of the founder of this CB Traffic app. Alright, by the way, the founder of the CB Traffic app, alright, is a platinum marketer in affiliate marketing on ClickBank. So he earns like crazy, alright, and so he have gathered all the knowledge and put in this jar, alright, of CB Traffic app, and it is giving us, alright. So now the thing is that it is 100% done for you affiliate traffic suite. Alright, with affiliate marketing and free traffic both done for you. Alright, like there are lots of things. Okay, so just get little bit more further. Alright, CB Traffic app. Alright, as I told you, alright, and you can see some snapshots over here. Alright, the earning snapshots. Alright, so CB Traffic app, a 4-way click software app that's the world's first done for you affiliate traffic suite with the affiliate marketing and free traffic both done for you in one cloud based app. Even if you're brand new, don't have a list, and even if you don't have a website, you don't need one, because everything from A to Z is done for you. Alright, the turnkey app is packed with 60 of the top converting offers from the world's biggest affiliate network, and you get to keep 100% commissions from every sale. Yes, you heard it right, 100% commissions. Alright, I don't know how these guys are doing this, but if they are saying 100% commissions, that means that 100% commissions. Alright, so blast any affiliate link or earn 100% with your DYF one click. Alright, do it for your done for yourself, or do it for yourself, maybe click software. Alright, so now let's go little bit more further. Alright, because rather than teaching, alright, so these are the things. Okay, so CB Traffic apps hand you 100% DFY solutions. Alright, it is an all-in-one traffic and affiliate commissions app. Copy the exact system used by super affiliates to profit, preloaded with 70 of the top converting offers. Plug into free traffic from 70x traffic sources, promote any website or affiliate link in 4 clicks. Cloud-based app, nothing to install, just log in and go. That's it. Yes, alright. Set up to generate commissions with the 3 biggest affiliate networks. Number 1 JVZoo, number 2 ClickBank, number 3 Warrior Plus. Alright, you can make money from all these 3 things. Alright, so CB Traffic app is a done for you commissions and traffic based thing. Alright, so keep 100% of your commissions you make with all new this in like one app. Alright, 100% beginner friendly, no list, no website, no paid ads, no experience needed. $100 a day affiliate programs. Alright, promote any website or affiliate program in 4 clicks, preloaded with 70 resources of traffic with 1 billion users. All right, no need to write a word of content, create videos, or even worry about traffic. All you need to create your affiliate campaign and start getting traffic is click 4 buttons. That's it. You just need to click 4 buttons. That's it, and your campaign is ready. All right. So these are the things. All right, daily affiliate commissions and all, and it is written over here. All right, so there are lots of things. So basically, what is this thing? This thing is a app that will provide you free traffic, free campaign. All right, yeah, free traffic, free campaign, and you don't have to make any videos, you don't have to write in anything, you don't have to create a content. You just, what you have to do, you just have to log into this app, and you just have to put your affiliate link in this thing, and you just have to rest. That's it. And all the things will do, like all the other things the CB traffic app will do for you. All right. The best thing, what is the best thing? You know, the best thing is that these guys are offering a 60 days money back guarantee with no questions asked. Yes, you heard it right. So it's a kind of a no-brainer. All right. And the main thing is that, you know, like if you'll purchase this thing, all right, and you think that this thing is not worthy or worth it, all right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just, you know, I'm just return this thing and take my money back. That's it. And these guys will return your money for sure. All right. So this is the best thing. So it's a kind of a no investment, if you like, if you think by my by my way of thinking. All right. So these are the things. So that as you can see, you can pause the video and read all this. All right, you are getting the value of this much amount of money. All right, and the total value is like, you know, 7,376 rupees. But no, you are not getting in that much. All right, you are not getting this thing even in $77. All right, you have to come to this page and you have to check like in how much money you are getting this thing. All right, so I've explained you almost everything. All right. So like, how does the CB traffic app work? This system gives you an exact affiliate programs and traffic used by top earning affiliates, all preloaded into a single app that easy to use. All right. What about maintenance costs? There are zero daily costs involved with CB traffic app. All right. You don't need a website or any paid ads. This is a close to a pure profit model as it gets, because there are no ongoing cost. All right. And there are lots of things, and as I told you, like, you know, these guys are giving the money back guarantee for 60 days. All right. So if you want to purchase this thing, all right, if you want to purchase CB traffic app, I will put a link in my description. All right, so you can go over there and purchase this thing from there. All right, but don't go, all right, don't go anywhere. Bonuses are also there. All right, I'm gonna show you like what bonuses I will provide you, or we will provide you from our side, if you will purchase CB traffic app from our link. So let's go for the bonuses. So bonuses are: bonus number 1, a full-fledged Instagram marketing course, and it's a video course. All right, so you can learn Instagram marketing from here and just apply it. All right. Bonus number 2, a full-fledged email marketing video course. All right, you can learn email marketing totally free of cost, and you can just apply it. All right, and you can viral your content. All right, and the third thing is that basically these are the ebooks. All right, these are the 3 ebooks. So ebook number 1, how to use social networks to build a list. You know how you can build a list, and how you can, you know, how you can build a productive list basically. So this ebook will tell you this thing. All right, ebook number 2, viral marketing mania. All right, how to viral your content like a maniac. All right, so and number 3, 200 social media marketing tactics. All right, 200 social media marketing tactics. You will learn how you can use social media. All right, in in 200 ways. All right, so these are the things you can learn. All right, now if you want to get all these courses totally free of cost, like those 2 video courses and these 3 ebooks totally free of cost, what you have to do, you just have to go to the description. You will find an Instagram link over there. All right, so open that link, open that profile, follow that page. All right, and just send us a screenshot of you purchasing CB traffic app from our link. All right, so as soon as we get the link, you will get the access of all these bonuses totally free of cost. All right, and when you will purchase it, then of course you will get the access of CB traffic app also. All right, so I hope you've liked this video, and if you like this video, then give a thumbs up. All right, and just stay healthy, stay safe. Mission Review signing off. Take care. Bye bye.